Hey backpackers, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Traveling United. Barbiecore has taken over like we're truly living in a Barbie world. The hot pink aesthetic doesn't just have to stop at your home decor and fashion accessories. There are Barbiecore travel destinations for 2022 that you'll want to add to your bucket list as well. Whether you're looking for a vibrant beach getaway or to see some of the naturally colorful sights around the globe, there's sure to be a pink travel destination you'll want to see for yourself. Number 1, Palm Springs, California. A weekend in Palm Springs with the midge to your Barbie should be on everyone's list. Just think of how much fun you'll have relaxing by the pool in your hot pink swimsuit and drinking a delicious pink smoothie. And if Barbiecore is the aesthetic you're trying to achieve on your vacay, you must stay at the Trixie Motel. This brand new motel designed to be the most Barbiecore drag queen ever, Trixie Motel, is hot pink from head to toe. You'll truly feel like you're staying at the Barbie dream house. While each room is Insta-worthy, the Queen of Hearts and Pink Flamingo suite have the most Barbiecore vibes to them. Some other pink-inspired stays in Palm Springs include the Sands Hotel and Spa, which has a Pink Cabana restaurant, and the Saguaro Hotel, which features a Barbie display in the lobby and has plenty of places around the pool for an Instagram photo shoot. Number 2, London, England. When in London, have a Barbiecore time. That's right, the UK has tons of hot pink destinations to see, like Peggy Portion Cakes. This adorable cake shop in London offers an afternoon tea, which is the perfect combination of both your Barbiecore and Regency core aesthetics. Not to mention, the suites are a foodie's dream come true. While in London, stay in Mayfair Hotel's Schiaparelli suite if you want to sleep beneath a hot pink accent wall. Snap some cute pics of your Barbiecore OOTD in front of that accent wall before heading out to the town for drinks at either Simon's Bar or Tonight Josephine. You could even extend your trip overseas and travel to Essex to stay in the Pink House. This fully pink 6-bedroom home is more Barbiecore than Barbie's own Malibu dream house. Number 3, Santa Barbara, California. Just north of Malibu, you'll find another Barbiecore travel destination in California, Santa Barbara. Live like Barbie as you spend your days on the beach or go out and explore some other pink spots around town. The Lotusland Gardens may even have some lovely hot pink blooms for you to take pics of. If not, you can still enjoy the pink estate, Cuesta Linda, in Lotusland and use its wall for an Instagram backdrop. Before exploring the gardens, stop by Anderson's Bakery for brunch or high tea in their pink cafe. Number 4, Victoria, British Columbia. Up north, they have some Barbiecore as well. For a totally unique stay, book the Zed Stream at Hotel Zed, which has pink and purple walls inside. It's just cozy enough for you and your partner to have a romantic but Barbiecore weekend getaway. Take the kin to your Barbie on a tour of the Kragdorok Castle around sunset. That's when the Canadian castle is said to glow pink. Staying on the couple's retreat idea, you could even book this Barbiecore vacay around Valentine's Day, aka the start of the cherry blossom season, to see just how gorgeous pink blooms take over all of Victoria. Number 5, San Diego, California. While you may want to rollerblade down Venice Beach like Robbie and Gosling did for the Barbie movie, San Diego has more of a Barbiecore vibe than Los Angeles. You may even spot some pink mural walls outside of Pigment or Native Poppy as you're walking around, so always be Insta-ready. While you're in town, stay at the pink La Valencia Hotel and start each day with coffee from the Pink Rose Cafe. This coffee shop is so pink, it's the definition of Barbiecore. Of course, one morning you should stop by Morning Glory for brunch and ask to sit in on one of their pink booths. Number 6, Takinoe, Japan. As much as you love pink accent walls and tennis courts, sometimes you just want to see Mother Nature flex her Barbiecore aesthetics as well. One of the most beautiful pink destinations around the world is Takinoe Park in Japan. This is where you'll see seemingly endless pink moss shiburatsu from May to June that looks just like a sea of pink. If you do decide to stay in Japan in early May, you may even be able to see the cherry blossom season as well, which should be on everyone's bucket list. Number 7, Victoria, Australia. Another natural pink wonder of the world are the pink lakes in Australia. Lake Hillier in Middle Island near Victoria is probably the most famous of the pink salt lakes. While the photos are gorgeous, you really need to check out this phenomenon in person. If you happen to be staying in Melbourne during your visit, check out the Pink Restaurant, which is full of #pink vibes only and has a bottomless brunch on Sundays. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.